All right, today I'm gonna show you how to install this bag, simple bag. It's a tank bag from GL, Giant Loop. And this bag is very handy for carrying things. You get access to everything you need. It also has a plus because when you want to put the gasoline in here, you don't have to take the whole bag off. Just unzip this, you open this up, you get access to your tank and the straps. This bag can come right off. And there's also a top piece. So you want to put your phone, your cameras, whatever. There's a top piece that you can put your phone and it's actually touchscreen if it's raining and fully waterproof. So let me show you guys how to install this thing. It's not that hard. All right, let's go. So one of the most important things that I'm going to point out on this bag, first of all, is this opening. It gives you access to your gas tank. You find a spot in the front that my camera won't be able to capture this, but I got this running underneath the frame by the neck where there's no wires pinching, nothing, okay? And you're gonna strap this down. You always wanna pull this to the outside. You're gonna strap that first portion down. You don't have to go really tight. Keep it loose enough so you can have enough room to play with where you want this to be at. You don't want it like this. You want to be there as much as centered as possible, okay? Let's move on to the next piece. All right, so here's the next thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a spot where I can hook this, I can loop this. I want it to go towards me this way and not under itself. So on my bike, on this Africa Twin, this part is really good. Now you can hook it here. I can hook it all the way back here as well. It's all based on preference. So if I hook it back here, I'm gonna make sure I have the same type of setup. And if I hook it there, it's not gonna be aesthetically pleasing to me. So I wanna get it down as straight as I can. So I'm gonna take this, run it through the back. And once I get it where I'm good, where I'm comfortable, I bring it up. All right, so it's gonna come up here like this. There's a little opening slot. You run it through the slot. Boom, and I'm gonna show you how to buckle this thing properly. And that's how tight you want this to be. You want to get it as tight as you can possibly get it. Now, with the buckle, the way this is gonna work, you're gonna run it through the second loop. Just like that, okay? And you're gonna pull it through the next loop, which has an angle, and you're gonna pull this as tight as you wanna make it, but I'm not gonna make it too tight yet. The other side, I don't need to show you the other side because I'm doing the same exact thing that I showed you. On that left side to the right side, same thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this through this loop, through the opening, the same way we did it on that left side. And I'm gonna come up, I'm gonna go through that loop, through the little slot. And now we're gonna start to tighten this bad boy down, right? So remember, it's gonna go through the second one first. Pull it, and then run it through going forward. So now I could pull this and I could pull it down as tight as I want to make it, and I want it tight. This ain't going nowhere. The same thing for the front. I want to make sure I have it loose, and to loosen it up, just simply pull it up. Just pull it up, and it will loosen up. So I want to make sure that I got my top also situated where I want it. I feel comfortable with that. And then I keep an eye on where it's tightening up at. And once you get a comfortable tension, I'll show you how to neaten it up. So once we get this tight to where it's comfortable, right? I'm gonna show you how to neaten this up, but let me fix something really quick because my OCD won't accept anything that's like too curved up. That will piss me off. All right, so this has a nice, cool little compartment, the same slot that we brought it through. Just run it through the slot again, bring it down, and you don't have to go all the way out. You can, I'm going to, and just turn it back on itself. And what that does, that just keeps it really neat. And you could even push that through here if you want to on the top, or just leave it as is. I'm gonna leave it just like that, and we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Push it through the slot. And turn it back up on itself the same way I did on that side. And that just keeps the straps organized. You don't have nothing flopping all over the place when you take your tank bag off. You know, it's not gonna look unprofessional. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the front. Now the front, it comes inside. That's what the front does. It comes inside, it lays there. Now, the bag has the zipper, and you zip it on just like you would a jacket. All right? Let me show you how that's done. Now, when you want to put the bag on, make sure that's down. You know, the bag placement is simple. And you also have a area here you can run your phone cable through this, and you can charge your phone inside safely. This is a pretty good bag. So you basically want to lay it down, line it up the same way you would a jacket. It's not on the side where you can see it, but come on, you've put on jackets, sweaters, hoodies, all that stuff, right? And I'm just gonna put it into the slot of the zipper. Once I hear it click in, then I know I'm safe, I'm good, and I'm just gonna pull it. And there you go. All right, so how does the bag look on the inside? This is how the bag looks on the inside. And you have your compartments, right? I'm using it with one hand, so let me just zoom back a bit. You have all your little spaces here. You can put stuff on the inside of the bag where you won't see it anywhere on the outside. But this is what leads into the front of where the opening is at for the phone, okay? Also, that's the space. It's a lot of space, and it also has another thing right here. Let me get some more light up in this piece. It has another storage area that can store things, and it's Velcro. You can Velcro this out too. You can pull it out, and you could put it on a second. Excuse the craziness, but I'm holding the camera. But you could put it there if you choose to put it there, and have it pressed against the side, and you can put stuff in here as well. So it's a really cool attachment, man. This is a simple bag. It's from Diablo tank bag, giant loop. That's the name that you can look up. Let me go back so you can see the name. There we go. Diablo tank bag from Giant Loop. And the zipper is pretty heavy duty because I've been riding, and this thing works perfect. That's the bag, and that's how the bag is installed. You got compartments right here. Like I've had my phone charger, and I've put my phone here. Like yesterday when I was riding, your phone can go right here if you want to, and it won't go anywhere. If you don't want to put your phone there, guess what? You want fast access to your wallet goes right there. It's not going to go anywhere. And you have access to your wallet. Easy, you don't got to be digging in your pocket. You ain't got to do none of that. Another thing that I think that this is really good for is your gloves. You know, like when you're riding and you find yourself taking your gloves off. Let me find a pair of gloves. You find yourself taking your gloves off and you want to put it someplace. Then you could put your glove right in here, or just one glove. Just put it right here. It ain't gonna go nowhere. So you can finagle with your phone when you're riding, as I know I do when I'm looking for stuff on my navigation. I don't want to pull over. I'm in a safe space. So that's it, guys. That's how you install this bag. This is from Giant Loop. I'll put a link. I got this one from Southern Honda Power Sports. Great addition to this bike. Always wanted one of these tank bags, and I absolutely love it. All right. Hope this video helps you guys out. All right. Later.